not enough, baby. Come to me, Molo. Love me or you hate me, know me. No mess with me, Mologo. NSC 250, come along, titi. Giuseppe Zanotti, in a Maserati. Hey, baby, easy. Fine boy like Weezy. You won't kiss somebody, but lose sweet melody. Normally, oh, ojoojúmọ́ là ń ṣayé, oh, luckily, oh, mo lówó tí mo fẹ́ ná, me, I just want to be high, be high, be high. Me, I just want to be high, be high, be high. Me, I just want to be high.
How much we love you and appreciate you as a sister. You are a mentor to me. I really love your passion for the work, and just a token from the team. Those of us that were here and those that are not able to make it, we are giving you our love. It's small gifts, but anytime you see this, we always remember every one of us. So we love you and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you. My name is Adenike Akodu, or popularly known as Nikki. I am here this evening to honor Dr. Kiki Ekekwe Christiana. She's a friend, a big sister, a colleague, a mentor to me. We worked together at DYRS. I was a registered nurse under her, and I learned a lot from her. She's an experienced nurse practitioner, very compassionate about the job, and then even about the youth that we were taking care of. So when she told me she was leaving, I didn't really like it, but we met to part and we part to meet again. So this evening we gather to honor her, to honor the love that she has for a colleague that she worked with, and the kind of diligence that she puts into the work. So we don't want her just to go like that. We want to honor her memory, because I know we are still going to meet again. And the life she has touched, I believe they will forever be remembering her.
My name is Victor Kolawale. I work with DYRS. I'm a compliance officer there, and I work closely with the medical staff. I'm not in the medical profession, but my work as a compliance officer takes me allows me to work closely with them on a regular basis. And over the years, I've known Dr. Kiki. She's always been as constant as the North Star. She's been very, very helpful to me and to all the people that work around her. She has a good demeanor, and she's always willing and, nurturing to the people she works with. And there hasn't been one day that I've been to medical that I have a problem getting information or getting some facts from her. She's always very willing and ready to help. And whenever she sees me, she's like, "Oh, Victor, what have we done wrong again? Or what do we need?" But it's always some fun. And I enjoy working with her, and I'm glad she's moving on to something greater and better, but we will miss her. We will surely miss her.
I'm Tarawali. I've worked. I met Kiki when we had both of us had just graduated from nurse practitioner school. We worked at DYRS, a New Beginnings, and we nurtured each other. We grew in our profession until she grew to be the kind of physician, nurse practitioner that anyone could cherish. I left in 2019 to go back home because my husband wanted to retire. I wasn't retiring, but I went home and I came back. It was a delight when I heard that she had retired or left the New Beginnings, the facility. So I was very pleased that I could join in this celebration. I could not do without her. So I just want to wish her all the best in everything she does.
All right. My name is Anire Adefolalu, nurse practitioner at YSC. And myself and Kiki, we've been colleagues for about what it was. I met her here, so must be over 7 years. And even though she works at New Beginning, she comes at times to YSC. And she's been a very dedicated worker and very nice to work with, and easygoing, and very knowledgeable, smart. So, and I'm very glad for her. She's an entrepreneur, and she's done well. So as she leaves to go on with her career and her work in a new place, I just wish her all the best. She's going to flourish in the mighty name of Jesus. She's going to have great progress, and I just wish her all the best. And this is the beginning of greater glory for her.
I'm Dr. Bella Tebinba. I'm a colleague to Dr. Kiki. We worked together at DYRS, New Beginnings, for 6 years. It was a great time. She was my mentor. When I got there, she was already there. She mentored me very well, and that's why I was able to stay there for 6 years. Fortunately, it's time for us to move on. I left that job in July, and a month after, she's leaving to go spend more time in her practice. She's a very great family practitioner. She's very knowledgeable. She has a very long history in healthcare. She has worked in several departments, and she has the knowledge to run a good practice. She's also my doctor as well. We're here today just to celebrate her because she was a good person at our job. She was our mentor for so long, and we're just spending a good time. And we wish her the best. And I know that in this next chapter, she's gonna be great. The Lord is gonna take care of her and open new doors for her, and she will be a wonderful practitioner.
My name is Dr. Uche Obichere, a nurse practitioner, a family nurse practitioner, as well as a psych nurse practitioner, a psych mental health nurse practitioner. I work at DYRS. That is where I met Dr. Kiki the very first time. And I have been with Dr. Kiki. I have worked with her from 2013. She was already there before I started there. Dr. Kiki, I tell you, when I came here this evening, some of my colleagues were like, oh wow, Uchenna, you are here. Because they know that I usually have problem going out for occasions like this. I really don't. Not because I don't want to, but because first of all, I can't do too much of driving, and I usually don't have that much time. But because of Dr. Kiki, I had to make it a point of duty to be here. That tells you how much I appreciate her. That tells you how special she is. Honestly, I love her so much. She's a colleague, yes, but I see her as a sister as well. She's very good-hearted. She knows her job very well. She enjoys what she does. She's very knowledgeable, and she knows how to carry people along. Dr. Kiki is a professional that you will meet, and you will really appreciate the job of a nurse practitioner. You know, she pays good attention to what she does. She takes excellent care of her patients. I will tell you, I can go on and on. She's a team player. She's a self-motivator, of course. I mean, as of the time she came out of nurse practitioner program and started her own business, a lot of the people that she passed out with are still trying to figure themselves out. You know, she prompts herself. She does it all by herself. I will tell you that she's a very highly gifted woman, and I really admire her. I appreciate her. I love her so much. She's a sister as well as a colleague, as well as a friend. I can go on and on and on to talk about Dr. Kiki, but I guess I'm just allowed to talk for 1 minute or less.
My name is Sureka Gorantla. I'm a nurse practitioner. I'm working with Dr. Kiki for the last 10 years. I worked with her, and she's an excellent nurse practitioner. And in fact, she is the first doctorate in nurse practice in my work area, in my colleagues she's the first one. And then everybody just were passionate. Everybody was, by looking at, she was like a role model, and by looking at her, and the rest of the nurse practitioner completed her DN doctorate too. And she was a very, very kind, nice colleague, a nice nurse practitioner taking care of the youth. And it is sad that she's leaving us, and she had her own practice, and of course that is her priority, to develop her own practice. And I wish her good luck and good success, and everything, God bless her, and with whatever her dreams to fulfill in her future, practice, or in the family, or in the community, whatever, what is to complete her dreams.
Amen.
And really, I miss her.
Thank you.
And Kiki, and really we miss you, and congratulations again for your practice, what you built up, and good luck for your future.
Everyone of you for taking time out from your busy schedule to attend my very wedding.